Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide photos in gallery on Oukitel WP50. To hide photos in gallery, first go to the gallery, which is Google Photos. And now, let's get started. Choose a photo you want to hide. I'm gonna hide this one. Then click on three dots in top right corner and find Move to Lock folder. Click on it, then continue, move, and now it's moved to the locked folder. To find it, go to Library, Utilities, Locked folder, and to open the locked folder, you need to enter device screen lock. You can turn on backup for locked folder or not turn it on. And then you can see that the photo is hidden in the locked folder and it's unavailable here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.